I'm just letting you know right now, if you have a weak stomach, this is not the video for you. You can stop right here, you'll be fine. Now, I've rented a lot of condos to people over the years. I've done a little bit of investing in properties, and every once in a while you got to do maintenance, right? Somebody calls you, tells you they got a clogged drain, and you just got to go in there and do it. You got to do the nasty. And you got to pull out the nasty stuff that's in the drain. This one really kind of surprised me. I didn't expect to see this much stuff coming out of here. I think I could have pulled out a mouse. I would have been less surprised. But, you grab it and you twist with the pliers and you pull it. And we didn't do anything as far as chemical treatment or Drano or anything. I just unscrewed the cap and started pulling on what was there. And lucky for me, it started coming out. I guess I should be grateful my tenant has long hair, because this was clean. In fact, this tub's kind of gross, to be honest with you. I turned my head because, I charge first, last, and security deposit. And if somebody wants to pay me a full month's rent to come in and clean up after them, I'm certainly willing to do that. And it's kind of surprising how many people leave just the most disgusting, nasty things in apartments when they move out. And I guess they're happy with paying a full month's rent, which is what I charge for a security deposit, to be able to just walk away. Okay, considering what rent is these days, I think that's a fair price, and I'm willing to do these kinds of things to try and get it back to a rentable condition. And I wouldn't rent a unit that I wouldn't personally live in, and the condition of this bathroom right now is really kind of gross. So, I wouldn't want it for my bathroom. I wouldn't rent it again like this. But this is just the early stages of what it takes to clean up after you've rented a unit. And if you've made it this far, congratulations. I know a lot of people, they just couldn't handle it. But I want you to see what came out of that drain in total. If you found it entertaining, give me that big old thumbs up. Okay, see you on the next video, guys.